In this video you'll discover exactly how to get car insurance for cheap. But first, here's our little trick to get you cheap car insurance. We use this free service. At 1-855-981-7528. Once you call them, they'll perform the tedious task of shopping around and provide you with the best quote for your location. Here we've got a topic that's going to save you some serious bucks: how to get car insurance for cheap. Whether you're a seasoned driver or a new road warrior, we all want to keep some extra cash in our pockets, right? Well, stick around, because we've got some fantastic tips and tricks coming your way. Segment 1: Shop around. The first step to getting affordable car insurance is to shop around. Don't settle for the first quote that comes your way. Different insurance companies offer different rates, so do your research. You can use online comparison tools to quickly compare quotes from multiple insurers. Remember, spending a little time now can lead to big savings later. Segment 2: Choose the right coverage. Now, let's talk coverage. It's important to strike a balance between adequate coverage and a manageable premium. Liability coverage is usually required by law, but consider your car's value and your driving habits when deciding on comprehensive and collision coverage. If you're driving an older car, you might be better off with higher deductibles or skipping certain coverage types altogether. Segment 3: Bundle up. Next up, bundling. Many insurance companies offer discounts when you bundle your car insurance with other policies like homeowners or renters insurance. Combining policies under one insurer can save you a bundle, pun intended. Segment 4: Maintain a good driving record. Ah, the sweet sound of a clean driving record. Insurance companies love safe drivers, and they'll reward you for it. Avoid accidents and traffic violations, and you could qualify for substantial discounts. Some insurers even offer programs that track your driving habits, potentially lowering your premium based on your responsible behavior. Segment 5: Increase your deductible. Now, let's talk deductibles. A deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Choosing a higher deductible can lower your premium. Just make sure you have the funds available if you need to make a claim. It's a bit of a gamble, but it can pay off in the long run. Segment 6: Discounts galore. Prepare for the discount bonanza. Insurers offer various discounts that you might be eligible for. Good student discounts, military discounts, and even discounts for driving a hybrid or electric car, the list goes on. Don't be shy about asking your insurance agent which discounts you qualify for. Segment 7: Pay-as-you-go insurance. Pay-as-you-go insurance, also known as usage-based insurance, is gaining popularity. This involves installing a device in your car that tracks your driving habits. If you're a safe driver who doesn't put a ton of miles on your car, you could see significant savings. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks, a roadmap to scoring affordable car insurance. Remember, a little effort up front can lead to substantial savings down the road. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.